I'm Zane Redford, home decorating enthusiast and creator of At Home with Zane. So welcome back, everyone. Today is the reveal of the Decorate My Space Challenge video. I recently put out an open invitation to anyone who wanted to participate in the collaboration of taking a space in their home, a dresser, a mantle, a kitchen island, a sideboard, and redecorating it. Now, part of this challenge, or this collaboration rather, is to just simply choose a surface space in your home to redecorate, but not to redecorate an entire room. So the other rule is that they were to show you a picture or a video clip of what their space looked like prior to redecorating it, and then share with you their reveal of what it looked like afterwards. So I'm going to share with you my space and how I redecorated it. I'm going to show you a before, and then I'll show you the redecoration of my space. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to include a link in my video description to the playlist. Any creator that put out a video, please feel free to add your video directly to the playlist. I know I had trouble with it the last time. YouTube kept resetting it and it would not allow certain people to add their videos, but hopefully we've solved that problem. So go ahead and try to add your video. If you're unable to, let me know and I will add it for you. But the playlist will be inside my video description. Also, check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my Facebook, my website. It's all in there. It's a one-stop shop. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.